Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video we will talk about lock and iloc functionalities of Pandas data frame. So let's first talk about the lock. Let's talk about the syntax of the lock. So for the lock functionality, its syntax is row, comma, column. Sorry, it's comma. So when we say lock, it's a label based. So it's going to be row label and here it's going to be column label. So let's talk about the simple lock function first. So when I say lock, so it's like df.lock, it's row label, so the row label is 1 here, so let's talk about 1, and column label is gender. So here as you can see, for the 1 and the gender is female, so it's returning that. Okay, so suppose I wanna do df.lock of just the row where the label is 4. So here it will return me all the values for the label where it is equal to 4. And suppose I want to use the multi labels, so what I can do is I can do df.lock of what labels I want. I want 3, I want 6, I want 8. So this, it will return me all the values where the label is 3, 6 and 8. So suppose now I have a range of labels. So when I have a range of labels, what I can do is I can do like this, and for range I will suppose my range is 1 to 10, so I will do 1:10. So now it will return me all the values where the range is 1 to 10. So now I want to filter on the columns. For this particular row value, I want to filter on the columns. What columns I want? I want just the time spent, time_spent. So it will just return me the time spent value for those particular row labels. Other than time spent, suppose I want multiple columns. For that I can do is df.lock of, I want this, I want suppose age, comma, gender, and here I want 1 to 10. So in this way you can select the multiple columns for the particular row labels that you are selecting. So now in the lock we can also apply the functions. With that, what I mean is we can do df.lock and I can apply the function here like lambda of df, df of, and age, where age is equal to 0. Age, not age, where age is divisible by 2 and it is equal to 0. So here it will return me all the values where age is divisible by 2. We will talk about the lambda function later, but just here just see that it's anonymous functions that you can apply. So the above function that I use is same as df of age %2 is equal to 0. Here you can see 514 rows, 12 columns, again 514 rows, 12 columns, and this in turn again is same as df.log of df of age %2 is equal to 0. So all these three functions will return the same values, so it depends on the user how you want to access the columns and rows. So yeah, this is about the lock function. Now let's talk about the iloc. In iloc it is index based. With that, what I mean is when we are going to use the iloc, in that it is going to be row index and then column index. So suppose df.iloc, I want all the rows, but for that I want only columns from 0 to 3. So here you can see it will return me all the rows, but the columns are from 0 to 3. This is column 0, 1, 2 3. So it will just return me the 0 1 and 2 because iloc will not include the last point. So iloc excludes the endpoint, excludes the endpoints, and loc, it will include the endpoints. So when you will use the loc, so suppose here I have used loc I1 to 10, so it has included the endpoints 10. So that is one of the other difference that is there between the loc and iloc. And suppose in here I wanna use df.iloc, I wanna filter on the rows also based on the index again. So I will use the index 0 to 3, and I want only first column. So here this is the other way that you can use the iloc. I guess this video is helpful. Thank you guys, hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.